I've got this Lenovo G560 and it runs Windows 7 Home Premium. Unfortunately, while trying to reinstall Windows 7 with the recovery drive, it failed, and so I needed a way to install or just to install Windows 7 so I could do a fresh install. Someone on YouTube asked where they can find the installation disk. Sadly, you could buy it on eBay or somewhere online, but Microsoft doesn't supply the download anymore. So I did a search for download Windows 7 Home Premium, and I'll provide the link. The one that I used was Internet Archive. It's not official, so again, because Microsoft is not willing to provide the official ISO, we're kind of on our own with this. And so this is what I used. I'm not making a recommendation or anything. I'm just saying if you need an ISO, this might work. Do run a virus scan on it. Do whatever you can. Just make sure you do your due diligence. So once you click on this link, it takes you to here. Archive, details, Windows 7, Home Premium, 64-bit. And so you can, go here, and the ISO image, it's not as straightforward, but on the right side over here where it says download options, you can click on the link over here that says ISO image, click on it, and then you can click on either one of these to start downloading. So if I were to click on this one, the 64-bit one, it'll start downloading or it'll request a download. You can see over here, and you can choose the location. This is Brave browser, so it'll ask where to download it, but typically if you click on it, it'll automatically download it. So that's pretty much it. Once I got the ISO file, I burned it to a flash drive. Burned it onto this is a 64 gigabyte, but you can get a 16 gigabyte flash drive should be enough. And I used Rufus to burn the image, and that's pretty much it. I was able to reinstall Windows 7 pretty much okay. So just want to make a short video about how I was able to find the ISO file. There are other ways of getting it. This is just one way. And so if you don't want to deal with the clutter of installing some app that will get you the ISO. And again, I'm not sure how secure and safe this file is. I installed it on my computer, it worked, but it could have some type of spyware on it, so keep that in mind. Good luck, and you can read the reviews.